there's a package here that I've been wanting to open with you guys for like 2 days now, and I haven't gotten to it. So can you guess what kind of package it is? Yep. Ding, ding, ding. You're right. It's my order from Farmasi. So let's open it together. Let's go. All right. Out with that. All right. Starting off with this one. What do we have? I've got some matte liquid lipsticks right here. They're so pretty. I'm super excited to try more of the matte liquid lipsticks because I have one and I really do like it. I did get a brown Eye Express waterproof eyeliner because sometimes I want to have a softer look, but I don't have any brown. And then this beauty here is a very beautiful blue liquid liner. It is so pretty. Can't wait to use that. All right. The next thing we have here is the Optimal All-in-One Volume Long Lash Curve Style Mascara, which I love mascaras. I absolutely love mascaras. If there was one thing that I had to live with, it would be mascara. And I also got the Deep Black Full Volume Mascara. Look at that. Such beautiful gold packaging. I'm so excited to try the mascaras because I love chunky lashes. Yes, I said it. Full volume, length, the whole deal. 2 lashes. What else did I get here? A contour stick. I forgot. I got a contour stick to try this out. I'm so excited about that. Whoop, whoop. What is this? Okay, so this is all right, like I was saying, I got the Brow Design Brow Mascara, the eyebrow mascara. Bet you didn't know eyebrow mascara was a thing, but it is to fill in your brows, and it is tinted, so that way it is like a quicker process. And I wanted to do this and see if it would be any easier for me to fill in my brows and give me like a shortcut. I got a full coverage liquid concealer because I do like our concealers, the coverage and how creamy they are. What else? A blush, another blush because I got one. I needed another color, so that's what I got. I also had to get our VFX Pro Camera Ready foundation, which is very, very highly raved about as well. So this, all right, so for the VFX foundation, it is a photo filter technology, full coverage, camera ready, retouch skin visual effect foundation. So this foundation is going viral with the company, very popular, and I can see why on people who wear it. It's very, very like superstar looking makeup kind of thing. I also had to get a full size of our CC cream. I got that in a medium shade. And then I wanted to try something from our age reverses line. So I got our eye cream. This is our eye cream, and earlier I talked about skincare, or not earlier, but I previously talked about how important skincare is. So this is eye cream, and then I wanted to try a few things from our new line that just came out this month, like very, very recently, which is our Lumi Radiance line here. And I got the brightening serum and the brightening cream with an SPF of 22. These contain sand lily and algae extract with a multivitamin complex. And later on, I will go into how important the products or the chemicals or all this stuff is in here. Okay, it's just too long. It's too long, and I'm trying to go fast. So very excited to try these. Very, very new and very good reviews on it. All right, I also had ordered another concealer. So I ordered 2 concealers to try out. One that I've been using and one a shade lighter. And I also got our glow and highlight stick. So now I have a highlighter and a contour stick to use, which I'm so excited to try out. For samples, I decided to get my husband a sample for the men's line, and this is the Shield Man, which is a shampoo, face and eye cream, and the aftershave lotion. So ladies, get your man some products. There is something for you and your man. Okay, some more Be Fit samples, so who knows, one of y'all might get some samples. And what I love that Farmasi did was that they did not ship one of my orders like fast enough, and they had a delay. So what I was saying is that Farmasi, one of the packages that I had delivered or something that I had ordered was delayed, and so in order to make it up, they decided to send me a free gift, and they sent me the blood orange and turmeric body mist, which is refreshing and energizing, as it says here. This one I'm pretty skeptical about, so I will keep you all in the loop with this one. And I also forgot to share with you that I did also purchase these wipes, these Scentsy wipes. It's for all skin types. It's makeup remover wipes. So got these 2. So I got a lot of goodies that I'm so excited to try out. I'm excited to try a lot of these new things out and to share them with you guys. And I'm just so excited because I love makeup and I love to try it out, and I love to share it with you guys, and I'm going to share it with you guys, and I want to know what you guys think. And so yeah, start leaving me comments, go message me somewhere. And if this got annoying, I'm super sorry that it got super long, but I'm super excited. So yeah, I will talk to you later. Bye. O sea, me tapo un ojito, me tapo el otro, y nada que ver. Who remembers that? Oh my god, I remember that all the time. Anyways, I couldn't wait to try out my mascara. I just couldn't wait to try something out. And obviously I had to try out my mascara because I freaking love mascaras. And check that out. Check it out, guys. Just check it out for yourself. Hey. Look at that. Thick, volume, length. Hello. My poor sad eye. My happy full lashed eye. Like, hello. Alright, I know I've been here on like stories forever, but just to let y'all know that the mascara that I tried on right now is the Optimal Style All-in-One Volume Long Lash Curve Mascara, and I'm so excited. I'm not gonna try the other one. I actually should be studying. Like, I should have been studying like a long ass freaking time ago, but oh my gosh, I'm too excited not to try something and not to share it with you guys as I like break stuff. But give you like the view. Yeah, I don't know, just wanted to keep sharing with you guys. If you made it this far, thank you. Sorry for all my craziness, my weirdness, or whatever. This is what happens when you leave me without kids and husbands. And by husbands, I mean like my one husband and like my 2 kids, okay? And yeah, I have time to myself, and like I don't know what to do. And I mean, I should be studying, and I'm not studying, and I should be working out, but I'm not working out, and I'm playing with makeup. So anyways, if you made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you all so much. And I don't know, go leave me a comment somewhere. Comment under one of my posts what you think about my stories. What do you think about any of these things? What are you interested in? What would you want to try? What should I try first? Let me know, girlfriend. And I will see you all soon. Peace. Get you a coffee maker that makes coffee and tea, because it's homemade hibiscus tea is bomb AF, made by me. But anyways, I'm getting to it. I'm gonna study. High five.